I'm bringing you guys a loadout video. Start off, I'm going to tell you guys about my plate carrier. It is a Condor plate carrier, and on it I have Valken triple mag pouches. I run Elite Force M120 mags. Now moving to the back, I have a Condor hydration pack and a Condor dump pouch. And it holds my Airsoft essentials. So now for my secondary, I run a Taurus M9 Springer. I will be replacing it, but for now I will be using Angelo's 1911 because he's buying a SIG 226. Moving on to my primary. I have a Black Ops M4 Viper. On it I have a Magpul handguard, a Bravo Scout Light, a foregrip, a NC Star Red Dot. For my face, I use a Valken tactical iron mask. I will be replacing it with a full face mask, so that's it for that. And here I've got my cheap ass eBay goggles. They suck, they fog, don't buy them at all. I will be replacing it with a full face mask. And so that's it for my loadout. Hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the team's channel. VSA05 signing out to the haters.